Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add an account from another bank to your Capital One account. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure to actually have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Capital One, what you will have to do is log in with your username and then password, and then you will just have to click sign in. And once you're here, you should see something like accounts, uh, account section. So make sure that you've already logged into your account so that you will be able to see that. So once you see your accounts, what you will have to do is you will look for external account, and then after that you will just have to click it, and then you will select your bank from the list or enter routing or account numbers manually. You will verify ownership through micro deposit confirmation or log into external bank. And once you're verified, the account will appear in your Capital One. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really did hope that it did help you, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.